Let's be honest. Everyone knows 11 Labs makes incredible AI voices. But here's the catch. If you actually try using it to build a consistent YouTube channel, you are going to run your pockets completely empty. You know why? Because every good feature is locked behind a paywall. Want clean voice cloning? You have to pay up. On top of that, no AI voice tool ever gets it right on the first try. You have to keep regenerating over and over, and boom, your monthly credits are completely gone before you can even finish a video. That's why today, I'm going to show you an alternative tool that creates realistic voices, injects genuine emotion into your script, and lets you clone your voice, completely free. Unlike other free voice generators that sound robotic and monotone, this one makes your audio sound much more natural and expressive. Okay, the tool we're going to use today is called Fish Audio. It runs on the open-source Fish speech engine, and unlike traditional text-to-speech tools that just read words off a screen, this model was trained on over 10 million hours of audio data across 80+ languages, helping it understand natural human speech patterns, micro-pauses, breaths, pacing shifts, and emotional delivery. Plus, they recently added built-in image and video generation, so you can create your visuals directly inside the platform without having to switch between multiple apps. Now open your browser and search for Fish Audio, or just click the link in the description. Once you're on the site, you can sign up using Google or your email. But if you want unlimited use, you should go with the email option. As soon as you log in, you'll see this type of workspace. If you click on this profile icon, you'll see they give you 8,000 free monthly credits right away to test everything out. And if you ever need extra credits, you can easily claim more by joining their Discord community. Now, you can see right here they give you lots of free options to try. For example, you can generate text-to-speech, do voice cloning, create sound effects, separate audio tracks, change voices, and even generate images and videos. For example, let's give it a try using text-to-speech. After clicking it, choose your voice here. And as you can see, there are lots of different voices available.
Hey, why are you sitting here all alone in the corner?
Simply choose the voice you like the most, and then paste your script here. Now, here's the interesting part. You'll see an option called tags. Using this, you can add different emotional tones, reactions, and even audio effects to your voice. Or, if you don't want to do it manually, simply click here, and the tool will automatically add suitable emotional tones and audio effects to your script. You can also choose which voice model you want to use: S1, S2 Pro, S2.1 Pro, or Drama 3. Keep in mind, if you use S1, S2, or Drama 3, you'll need to spend some credits, but if you choose S2.1 Pro, it's completely free without using any credits. So, once you've selected your voice and model, click Generate, and wait a moment. When the generation is complete, the tool gives you 2 voice samples. Listen to both, compare them, and simply choose the one that sounds best for your video. And here are 2 voice examples I created using this tool. One with emotions, and one without emotions.
Hey, welcome to my YouTube channel. This audio was generated using Fish Audio. So, what do you think about this tool? If you like it, give this video a like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Hey, welcome to my YouTube channel. This audio was generated using Fish Audio. What do you think about this tool? If you like it, give this video a like, leave a comment, and subscribe.
Now, let's check out the voice clone feature. Most AI platforms lock voice cloning behind an expensive paywall, but this tool actually lets you clone any voice for free. And here, you'll see 3 different options right here: instant voice clone, voice design, and professional voice clone. Go ahead and pick instant voice clone because it's totally free to use. Keep in mind, if you choose voice design or professional voice clone, you'll have to upgrade to a paid plan. Next up, go ahead and upload your voice sample. Somewhere between 10 to 30 seconds is totally fine. And click Analyze. It may take a little time to process, so just wait until it's complete. Once it's finished, click it again, and then you can customize the voice however you like, and then just hit the public option. Once again, if you want to keep your voice private, you do have to pay for that. But honestly, I don't really think that's a bad trade-off, since they're letting you use the whole thing for free.
AI is totally reshaping how we live right now, getting smarter and way more powerful by the day. From generating images to picking up new skills. It lets you turn crazy ideas.
Aside from that, there are plenty of other tools to explore, like sound effects, audio separation, and the voice changer, which you can definitely check out on your own later. Now, besides voice generation, they've recently added a brand new feature that lets you create images, animations, and video clips directly inside the app. Now, to test this out, click on the image to video option right on your dashboard. This brings you straight into the creative gallery, where you can browse through sample video prompts and check out different visual styles for inspiration. Next up, click over on the Describe or Upload panel. Here, you'll find 3 separate tools to work with: standard image generation, text-to-video creation, and instant AI lip sync. Now, keep in mind, some of the high-end rendering models do require a paid plan due to heavy server power, but you can still generate basic visuals completely for free just by using your welcome credits. And also, this tool actually gives you a free 5-day trial option. After that, you will need to pay, so definitely check it out via the link in the description below. And that wraps things up for today. Drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts on this AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.